Hi, Sara Levin, the Artful Inker here. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in the United States. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I want to show you what's inside the photopolymer stamps. Now, you may have been ordering these from Stampin' Up! Already, and you're used to the two pieces of plastic and one is printed with an index sheet. Well, that has changed with the new annual catalog, and now the index is printed here on the label sheet so that, let's pull a couple of these stamps off, so that you can quickly put your stamps back in the case. They're going to fit, and you know immediately what's missing from your stamp set. So, lovely, quick and easy new index sheet inside your photopolymer stamps. Have a great day. This was Sara Levin, the Artful Inker of theartfulinker.com. Please do some of your shopping in my Stampin' Up! Store. You can find the link in the description below. Have a great day. Bye.